Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use custom visual from Microsoft Store. Let's quickly get to it. To access custom visuals on the visualization pane, just come to these three dots right here. Click on the three dots, go to Get More Visuals. Click on Get More Visuals. So that will take us to Power BI Store where we have so many Power BI visuals and other visuals. So I'll come here. The visual I'm looking for is called Sparkline by Oakvis. So this, and I click on this. So that will take me to the visual. Then I'm just going to click on the visual. And so I'm just going to click on Get It Now. You just have an explanation of what it does and all of that. So I'll just get it now. Then it takes me here. So to get custom visuals, you have to be signed on into Power BI with the Microsoft free account we created earlier. So you can see, whenever it's imported, it does import custom visual. So there are many options. I click on OK. There are many ways which you can import custom visual. You can import from file as well. You can import from file. You can or import from the store. Right. So let's just use this visual to show the trends of transaction. So I'm going to click on this visual. Comes here. Then I'm going to do, this is transaction count, right? So put it in values. I'm going to do this by month. I go to my date table, dim calendar. I go to month. Let me use 1 year. So it shows me the trend by month. Then I just turn off the category just to have a bigger view. So this is it. It's a really nice visual. So I just adjust this, I bring it up here. Okay. Copy this, paste, bring it down here. Okay, let me take this one up a bit. Okay, just try as much as possible to align them. So very critical. So I copy this as well and paste. Just drag it down here a bit. All right. Let me place this one up a bit, just slightly up. Oh, right. Okay. Now for this second one, I'm going to take my transaction count off and bring transaction amount right there. Then this, I'll bring in transaction per customer. So take out transaction amount, transaction per customer. Oh, sorry. Take this transaction amount. Then the next one, this is transaction per customer. I take out transaction amount. So you can see, you can also show multiple things. So yeah, so let me come here, take out this, put transaction per customer. Okay, so this is the trending of these three parameters. Yeah, transaction count. This should be transaction amount. Take this off, transaction amount. Yeah, and this is transaction per customer. So I'll take this up a bit and okay, leave this as is. So that is all around using custom visual. You can also get custom visual from file. and also use that. That will be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.